Okay, so we went through and you had you guys highlight the terms on this. You guys came up with the key terms of end of Punic Wars, changes, reasons, switch professional army. Then on the next one you had soldiers' loyalty, civil wars, causes and consequences. On the third one you had cost of professional army and heavy taxes. And on the last one you had slavery, how slavery and other problems, tension and social classes and results of those tensions as your keywords for each one of these writing prompts, and then you have the indicators on the right hand side. So what I'd like you guys to do now is you guys are going to go onto Classroom, and on Classroom you're going to pull up the assignment, and at the top you're going to have some short answer questions, but in the second section I have an exemplar, and the exemplar is someone else's essay, but it is missing some of these words, these key terms that you guys have as indicators. So Rome brought many, and you're going to choose changes as the missing word here to Rome, and then switching to professional army was need to protect an army in newly conquered land. So you're missing some of these key terms on the writing, so you guys are going to figure out what those words are, fill them in, and then when you're done with that, you're going to have the example essay. You're going to go through your checklist that you have for your success criteria, and you're going to go through, for example, Punic Wars, cause. Student discusses the end of the Punic Wars and changes in Roman army after the Punic Wars. And you're going to check off whether or not this example met that criteria, and then look at the potential indicators to see if those criteria have been met as well. And you're going to go through the checklist through each box and determine whether or not this essay met that criteria. Now, what you will find is most of the criteria on the success criteria checklist is met, but not every single one. So find out what is missing, and then you're going to write your own little paragraph, how you would describe that one using the key terms, and then after you're done with that, okay, so you're going to write your own paragraph for what is missing, and when you're done with that, you're going to check with a classmate, make sure that you guys have the same thing missing. See what you guys wrote to fill in that success criteria, and we will have a little discussion as a class or in small groups. I'll walk around to each group, making sure that you guys understand which is right and what you missed, and make sure that you guys understand the success criteria and the exemplar that I gave you, and make sure you guys fill out your checklist successfully. Alright, so I'm going to give you guys time to go ahead and fill this sheet out. Then figure out what success criteria is missing, and then you need to do your own little changing of this to make sure that you have your success criteria met. And as you guys are filling out that last section, I'll come around and help you guys and double check to make sure that you guys have figured it out and answer any questions that you might have. Alright, go ahead and start working on this, and I'll walk around and make sure you guys know what you're doing. Thank you.